Good afternoon again. All right, today we want to speak about industry specialization, the key to effective change at scale. Now, one thing I'm going to do today is use Epic Technology as an example in terms of how Epic Technology use their knowledge of a particular industry to gain that competitive advantage and to be able to implement solutions that benefit the industry and companies that are other industries that depend on that particular industry. So that's what we're going to look at. So who am I? Just to give you an idea where we started and where we came from. Name is Donovan Morgan, as they indicated, the current Managing Director and CEO of Epic Technologies. Now, what we did, over about 20 years ago, we basically entered the insurance industry and started to look at what are the processes in the insurance industry and what makes it tick. And then focus on specializing in that area. So most IT people, when they leave university, tend to, they start a process there, they start another process there, start developing an app there, started an application there, and start to move around. In fact, one of the norm was that when they leave university, don't spend more than 2 years at any institution. I don't know if that's still the case, but that was the case at that time. I spent 24 years basically working for 2 companies. 19 years of those was working for an insurance company, right? In fact, multiple insurance companies, but within the same industry. And then forming a company to provide application support and technology for that industry. Now, it does 2 things. It means that you have a wealth of knowledge in that industry. You basically can see things a lot quicker. You have technological skills, that's what you were trained in. You combine both and you have an unstoppable solution within that industry. So it means that when an insurance company wants to implement something, one of the first things they look at, who can we call? 20 years ago, what will happen is that most of these companies would have sought this type of consultation external to Jamaica. Jamaica wasn't the first person on your list. In fact, if you look around, most of the insurance companies 20 years ago, every application that they use were an application outside of Jamaica. Because of our involvement, today, 85% of the insurance company uses an application that is developed in Jamaica. And that is because we have created this level of expertise in insurance and combined it with tech to provide that solution. And this is not only Jamaica, it's the entire Caribbean. Now, one of the things that we found, and I'll share this with you, just to make the point. In this case, as a general product, to sound scared, who you think makes more, or who is in more demand? In this case, the general practitioner or the surgeon. So we're going to go. Who makes more or who's in higher demand? The accountant or someone who is an auditor specialized in financial fraud detection. Who makes more? The PE teacher or the coach? Now, when you look at it, it's all about specialization and where you're going. I remember when I just left university 2 years after, I was called to be a part of a project team for some implementation. And I sat there and I gave my input to the committee that was there. And they accepted it, yes. It was implemented, they engaged an overseas consultant who came, provided the same information, maybe in a different way, packaged differently, but is more or less the same. And what ended up happening? It was taken up. The reason for that is that that person had industry experience. He specialized in that. So whatever he says is more credible than what I have, that he has the experience. So in seeing that, I remember sitting in that meeting. I'm from the country, and my grandmother would say, a rolling stone gathers no moss. It means that specialize in something. That's what pays. That's what people recognize. That's what they demand. So we made a decision. We're going to focus on the insurance industry, combining our knowledge of technology and insurance. So it means that we have to go and study insurance. It means that we have to improve our skills. It means that we have to work with everybody in the industry. Not just the insurance company, but every company that provides support to the insurance industry and who the insurance industry provides support to. So we have to understand everything from reinsurance, the insurance company, brokers, lawyers, loss adjusters, everybody. And then the next thing that we found was that insurance within the Caribbean was totally different from insurance as it portrayed in North America, Europe, and a lot of those places. So we went further in our specialization by creating what we call Caribbean insurance specialization. And that's what we did. And to share another thing with you. So, professionals who specialize in a particular industry basically earn a lot more. And this was one of the statistics that came. They earn about 30% more. Right? So you can't lose. So a company that specializes is more likely to attract customers to fix a specific problem. And that is true. Last month, just to share another example, just to show you why specialization is important. There's a company in Trinidad, right? They have just purchased another insurance company, right? We're basically in general and some life. They bought an insurance company and needed the data to move. They fall out of grace with the company that the legacy system, and that company would not provide them with a data dictionary. Nothing. All they provide them with is a data file. Now, when you open that file, see all type of stuff in there. First, you have to find a way to get in there. But once you get in there, you see all type of data. Now, to an IT person, all they will see is just data. When an insurance person who has 20 odd years of experience look at the data, it starts to make sense. That allowed us to put that data together for this client to get the conversion done. So that's one of the benefits. So they never reach out to any specific IT company. They reach out to an IT company that specializes in insurance technology. And that's one of the benefits. And that's why we can demand that type of thing. Now, one of the case studies I want to show or highlight here, there are many. Just to give you an insight, Epic Technology, we operate not only in Jamaica, but basically in all the Caribbean territories. We have done over 50 odd implementation of our insurance package with an insurance company, as far as Suriname to Trinidad to Bahamas, Belize, and back to Jamaica. So we've been doing this for a long time. So on a case study I want to show you, when the industry decides that, hey, we want to find a way to implement something or to design something, one of the things that we push for is that when an insurance company or broker decide to do something, their first point of call is to call Epic, whether or not we know how to do it. But we have that skill. Because when somebody sits in front of that insurance technocrat and start to speak the jargon, if you're simply just an IT person, it's going to go over your head. And then you have to get somebody else. And chances are you will miss the target. So it makes sense to become specialized in that area, right? Because there's a lot of insurance company and things must be insured. So how we started, we, as I indicated before, in the business for some 20 years, and a group of like-minded persons came together who decided we're going to study insurance and study IT at the same time. So, these are some of the software that we pushed in the market. And basically, they're to help the insurance company. So we don't create software just creating sake or to be creative about technology. We do it to benefit the industry that we operate in, or to benefit the client in the industry that we operate in. So we have created, similar to what the bank has created, what we call a highway, so to speak, where the insurance company can exchange data. So when you go to one insurance company, gone were the days when you could say, hey, I've never had a claim, and the insurance company will take out the paper and say, okay, fine. Those days are gone. Gone were the days when you could put two claims at two insurance companies. Those days are gone. Insurance companies process are sped up because they're sharing information. So when you go, half of the information that they need is already in their system, because they're basically taking it from somewhere else. Right? So these are the applications that allows them to do that, and allows the intermediary companies, the loss adjusters, the brokers, the repairers, all of those companies to come to become part of that body. Now, these are the team leaders, and every person within that entity has to go through an insurance training. They came in as IT personnel, but we ensure that you have to have insurance knowledge. So you go into insurance school. And that's where we come in, and that's where we ensure that there's a continuum that goes on. So the companies, our insurance company, can continue to rely on us. So this is the sort of person. These are some of the clients that we provide the service with. Not in Jamaica, but all over the place. Right? And one of the things that we're trying to do now, the Caribbean persons, especially in the Eastern Caribbean, are very migratory. So they have a claim or a bad driving experience in Jamaica and go to Trinidad. And when the Trinidad and insurance company say, you know, what's your claim experience? Say, no man, I'm good from morning, everything is fine. With this type of system and the connectivity within the Caribbean, you're there as well. Your experience moves with you. When you sign that proposal form, there's something on it that insurance company said that they share. Because this is part of the risk. Insurance basically manages risk. And you're the risk. So they have to have information about that risk. Hence why they share it. So, tech companies, software developers, IT practitioners can combine in-depth knowledge of niche industries. So basically, find something that you're passionate about and focus on that. It might not materialize right now that, hey, it's gonna get me where I need to go. But when that time comes and it happens, it's gonna be great. So all you have to do is become specialized. And you'll realize it's a trend. When you're in high school, it was about 8 subjects. And if you're one of the bright ones, you do 12. Right? And then as soon as you reach sixth form, you drop to 4, you start becoming specialized. And when you reach university, you drop to 1. You start becoming even further specialized. Or 2, when you reach to the master's level, inside of that one computer course, you start going deeper inside of that. So there's a benefit to becoming specialized in the area that you are. Companies need those type of persons who are specialized in the area so that they can get the desired result. Now, just to cite one of this is a problem the industry has, right? Just sort of bring it together as to why a company would select somebody in a specialized area to try and fix a particular problem in the industry. 25% of the vehicles, using Jamaican example, is uninsured, right? Now, that creates a problem for the insurance industry. There's a revenue loss. Right? The insurance company can't make any money, or they can make more money in terms of what they want to do. The brokers are not making, or their commission is reduced. And the government, their revenue is dropped, tax is lost. And then the next part of it, road safety. There's a lot of times when persons get injured on the road, they find out that the person that hits them has no insurance. So chances of recovering is slim. And worse, if the person is not somebody of means, they can't get anything. So if you were to say insurance, the cost for insurance is about $50,000 to $100,000. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's $1 million. But using $50,000 as a base price for insurance, you would see that this 25% amounts to about $5 billion. And that's on the low scale. That's a lot of money. In whatever currency you want to put it in. So it means that if we can find a way to solve this problem, everybody benefits. The insurer, the brokers, the government, and you. Because people out there who hit you will know they're basically like insurance. So, they came up with a solution like this. Can we pool all the insurance data in one place so that it can provide some proof of cover? Very simple. When you look at it from that side, there's a whole lot of technology going on in the background. But the solution is this. So the idea is that, can we find a set of persons who understand the industry, understand technology, to implement something like this? So they sent it out to the world. Companies from South Africa bid for it, from the US bid for it, from the Caribbean bid for it. We bid for it. They selected us. We had the experience. Our focus was on basic insurance, straight insurance, nothing else. We do no other technology that doesn't complement the insurance industry. So we got the thing, and we start work with all the persons that are involved to ensure that something like this can happen. So in a nutshell, this is how it works. The insurance company share information, and this information can be shared with all the players that needs it. The government, because the government can put restrictions and say, hey, you can't have the vehicle registered without something. Right? They also put restriction on the public. You as a public can know whether or not something is covered. The insurance company keeps changing information in real time. So this is something that works, and the insurance industry would select a team that will be able to implement something like that. A team that understands the business, understands insurance, and understands why, and don't just look at it as an IT project. So that's one of the things specialization gives you. carry to the table a lot quicker. It makes the company make the decision, or the person making the decision to select you. So, that's the benefit, fraud detection. They pick that up. Increase revenue for the insurance industry. Increase tax revenue for the government, and improve road safety. That's the solution. Right? And put the technology behind it. So, EPIC was chosen because we had an in-depth knowledge of the insurance industry. And we focus in that area. We specialize in it. So I use that as a case so that when you're deciding where you're going to go and what you want to do, specialize in that area. And that make that be the focus. So if I want something in security, I'm not just going to call a particular company. I'm going to call a company who has experience in that area for a long time. Because I want a quick solution. I want a solution now. I want somebody who knows exactly what they're doing and not to come and guess. So, steps for specialization: enroll in a specialized course of study to learn the business. Say if you decide you want to go into petroleum, you want to use your IT skill in the petroleum market, you need to know about petroleum. You can't just go in there and say, okay, I have these database skills and I have the knowledge in this particular thing and the greatest thing in slice bread in terms of technology, and go into the person company. You're going to have drawbacks. Get specialized. Know the business so that they can refer to you. Align yourself with key industry players. You have to know not just one company, but everybody, not only in your country, but in the region. You have to compete against the world. The software that we provide is competing against the software out of Canada, US, Europe. We go to all of these conferences overseas to make sure that we are on top of our game and compete against the best. And that's what the industry knowledge gives you. Because insurance is insurance. It's either you know it or you don't know it. Same thing with tech. It's either you know it or you don't know it. Combine both of them and you have the best. Put you on the market. Right? So, that is my presentation for today. Thank you.